Hey everybody, it's Joe Kushno, part one of two here on our evidence-based practice project. I have a few materials here I'm going to quickly share. This is only half the video, 2.5 minutes. I'll try really hard to stick to it. I have three different applications here. I have something called Series Saying, and then I have a related project called Three Number Fact Families. These two things work together. As you can see, I have a plan here to do something for day 1, day 2, day 3, and then we'll come over to the three number fact families and do day 4 and 5, back to 6 to 7, 8, 9, and then also I can fill in with these multiplication maps. So let's see how this works. Day 1, it's really in 3 parts. First, you get the child to point and read the equation. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2, just like that. Once the student is saying that in under 3 seconds, they can move to part 2. Here's part 2, and this we just ask them to read it, 1 times 1, and then give the answer. So they have to go 1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 2 equals 2, and so on. And then once they're successful with that, you do part 3, which is really they're going to do it without looking. 1 times 1 equals 1, 1 times 2 equals 2, 1 times 3 equals 3, just like that. All right, fact families. So here I have the example 2 and 5 is 10. So, and down here what that is, I did the same example. 2 times 5 equals 10 and 5 times 2 equals 10. So you just fill these in. 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, and then you write right here, you take the 3 times 5 is 15, and then 5 times 3 equals 15. Lets them know that how they're, lets them know that it doesn't matter which order the number's in, 3 or whether 3 times 5 is first or if 5 times 3, it all equals 15. Multiplication maps. There's multiplication maps for 9s, 5s, 7s, and 4s. I'll just do the 9s here. Basically, you get the student here writes the products. It's already done for them in this column: 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. And then I put in color coded. Notice how the second digit always decreases by 1. So then as they're writing, they can do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then notice how the first digit always increases by 1. And it's showing here 1, 2, 3. So 118, they just fill it out. Just like that. It helps them make connections and see patterns in the thing. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later.